Alright, welcome to the channel. If you like this kind of content and you want to see more of it, then go ahead and subscribe down below. Also, if you have any tips or ideas for us to try out, then go ahead and put those down in the comment. This was the morning of the first shotgun season of 2024, and we sat all morning and didn't see a single thing other than that coyote. And so on the way down, we decided we're gonna go ahead and take a detour through the woods and do some still hunting on the way back to the truck.
Shoot him, get him. Take him.
Unfortunately, we were dealing with a mistaken identity here. I could see through the camera, which is like looking through binoculars. I could see that this was clearly a management buck, and with the naked eye, you couldn't see through the brush enough to see what exactly it was. And so Katie had thought it was a spike, and she had pointed out that she definitely doesn't want to shoot a spike, so that's why she wasn't shooting.
There's a doe behind him.
There's a doe.
There's a doe over on the other side.
Holy smokes, my heart is pounding.
Your heart's pounding.
We didn't walk but another 40 yards trying to get around this buck and try to cut him off on the way out when we ran into another buck just up the trail.
Get ready, get ready. Get on him.
Are you sure?
Yeah, oh yeah, he's a nice one. Wait. Get on him. Shoot him if you got him. I think he sees us. If you can. Shoot him if you can, as soon as you can. He sees us, shoot him if you can. Can you move just a little bit? If he takes a step, you shoot him, okay? Oh yeah, oh yeah. He's staring at us. He's getting ready to move. Oh, man. It was loud. It was so loud.
I guess I should maybe put my hand on the other side of safety. I like slowly took it, but like he stepped out.
I thought your safety was off the whole time. That's why I was like, you gotta shoot.
When I looked at the scope, I didn't think.
Babe, there's another deer. Get down, get down, get down. Shoot him. He's not. Get ready. Meh.
I don't.
Gotta get him to stop. He might circle around and come over here. Okay, hey, get ready in case he comes up this side. Just stand up. Actually, hang on. Get ready. Get ready. He's looking. If he takes a couple steps forward, we have to stop him. That's our only shot. Where's he going? He's going the other way. Is he running? Yeah.
Can't shoot that. He's behind the block or behind the tree.
And slowly start standing up. Okay.
Now, after all that excitement, we had no more action before getting back to the truck. The next evening, we went out and sat in a blind, and it was very basic. A doe and a fawn came out towards dark, and Caitlin made a great 100-yard shot on her. And this is also the start of microphone problems that I'm having with my camera. So we're talking right now in the blind, but you can't hear a thing, and all of a sudden it'll kick on for some odd reason.
I'm gonna take my safety.
Take your time, babe.
Don't do that. Can I still shoot?
Yeah, whenever you're ready. Oh, you got her.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sure you got her. Holy cow. She jumped so high. Holy cow. I said, do you want to just give her a night and then come in tomorrow morning? Wait, babe, she went like 20 yards.
Yeah, well, like the way she was running.
And then
I
there
don't
was,
find anything there. I was gonna come down to the creek and look.
yeah, I literally was just like on my way back. I could see her from a distance, like I sure hope that's her. Good job. Careful. It's not too deep there. You got it. Oh yeah, that's not very deep at all.
I was using you to help me get my boot unstuck, and you pulled, and my boot was still stuck, and I fell backwards. But we're gonna
In the water. Oh yeah. Alright, there you go. Look at that mud. Can you drag her up the bank yourself?
I could use some help with that.
Okay, I'll help you with that. Alright, let's get her out
I'll
of here.
drag her across the creek, but you.
She is so, oh my word, that's way up there.
Oh wow. It is.
That was...
That would have been the entrance.
Yeah, which we were like level with her in
Are you taking a picture or video?
video.
Oh.
Okay, there you go. That's the
That's
exit.
it, exit.
That's the exit. Just push through.
We're going around a tree here.
We're going over a tree.
So it should be pretty quiet out there. The wind's not really blowing, but it's cold, so hopefully the deer are moving. Hopefully we can get in there quietly enough. My phone picks up a lot of light, so it's not nearly as bright as it looks like outside. but it is starting to get light, so got to get out there. I'm gonna just creep in. So like in the last video, we're having some microphone problems on the camera again. I'm not sure exactly what went wrong, but the volume was turned way down and it was a little muffled. So there's not much volume other than the shot here. Now soon after the sun completely came up, it wasn't long later until a few does come out of the thick stuff. I'm not exactly sure exactly how many were out there, but it was anywhere between 4 and 8 does and fawns, and I was trying to figure out which ones were which so that I could take a shot, but a lot of my shots were covered up with brush and logs and stuff like that, so I never did quite get a good shot at these deer. So about 2 hours after those deer ran off, I was filming a woodpecker that was standing right beside me. And all of a sudden I noticed there's a deer standing right in front of me about 75 yards. And it was just walking through the brush. It was a big mature doe. So I decided, you know what, this is some good meat for the freezer. So I waited for a shooting lane to come up and took a shot. And through the camera you can see that she went down there in the background. In person I couldn't see it at all. I knew I hit her, and I knew I hit her pretty good, but yeah, I didn't know. I couldn't see her hardly at all after the shot, so I waited for a little while and then climbed out of the tree to take up the trail. So yeah, I talked to the camera here for a while, but unfortunately the audio is completely gone.
I see fur in there. I think that's her just laying there. Right there, you see her head. That's what I spotted the first time, is her back. It's her laying there. I almost guarantee she's dead. I mean, she is laying flat. She looks really big. Look at this trail here. There's lots and lots of deer in here. Look at this. Look at the size. That's a big old doe.